Hey everybody, Liz Clark with Coldwell Banker here. Just wanted to hop on and let you guys know I just finished my Seller Guide to Success booklet, and it's fairly long, it's fairly detailed. However, I've laid it out where it makes sense. A lot of it is what I say to my clients already, from first appointment all the way to settlement day. There's a lot that goes into selling your house. I'm here to help you, here to guide you along with my team, CB Crow. So if you're interested, you might not be in the market now. That's fine. Read it. You might be in the market for next year or in 5 years. I might have to redo it by then. However, I want to do my best to create a smooth move for you. And if reading this book helps you out before we meet, that's what I wanted. So have a great day, everybody. And please, if you wanted a good read, whether it be this year, next year, 5 years from now, whenever you're ready, I hope this helps. Happy Wednesday, everybody. I'll see you later. Bye.